Yo, what's happening? Back, man. Look, I'm on that old cell phone. I'm on that old cell phone today, man. I left my camera at the house because I don't even know how I left my camera at the house, but I did. But yeah, man, we outside, man. We outside. Out here chilling. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Back up in here, man, with another one of them things. Guess what we got going on? We is in MayRose, and I got the kiddos, all of them. Look at that. Well, except Ashton.
What's up?
We don't have Ashton because Ashton has his own car. So, hey, he can drive now. But yeah, man, we are headed to Grandma's house. In case you're wondering why Ashley ain't with us, well, Ashley is sick. So, ain't that something? She's sick on Christmas. But, yeah, man, we making it do what it do. She had a snotty nose. So, we're gonna try to make the best of it. I ain't want to leave her, but she's sick, so what I'm gonna do? First of all, I just want to tell everybody Merry Christmas. Thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for being here, watching my videos, however y'all want to put it. Yeah, we in here listening to some good Christmas music. We vibing. You know what I'm saying? In MayRose, what is that? Tow that junk. Oh, there. What they got going on? But yeah. So man, we headed to Grandma's house. Like I said, I told y'all, man, we driving MayRose, dog. We driving MayRose for Christmas. We driving MayRose for New Year. So 2 things down, 1 more to go. Hopefully y'all stay tuned. Continue to be a part of it, man, and yeah. Hope y'all having a very, very Merry Christmas, man. Happy holidays and all that good stuff right there. So let me get on over here. Look at BB, y'all.
My birthday in 2 weeks. What's up?
Look at BB. Her birthday in 2 weeks. BB said her birthday in 2 weeks. I even got the baby with us, man. Yeah, so, yeah, with that being said, man, let me get on over to Grandma's house so I don't hit no pothole, and I'll see y'all in a second.
You got the dog? Yeah. She got a dog in her house. He got a dog at home. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
He's at home.
Ready taking your picture?
Really got, what you get, baby? Purses and stuff. Purses and perfume, and Jordy got a violin. kids got all these toys. This boy got a harmonica. And he got this. All these doggone toys.
Where's the blue at? Where's the blue blueberry?
I don't know what you do with it. You better find her stuff.
Maybe the orange and the apple will find it. I found the blueberry.
Yeah.
I found the blueberry.
That's what I got my mama. Got my dad some whiskey glasses.
Ring, ring. You see all these? Did you see that, Daddy? Come on, Daddy. Right, Daddy.
Yeah. We probably finna dip in a minute. I'm trying to see where Ashton at. I don't know where he is, so probably finna go ahead and roll. Head on back to the crib. Yeah, cause I gotta go to work tomorrow. I gotta be in Columbus. I gotta be in Columbus, Mississippi by 8 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, that's how that's gonna work. So yeah, I see. Yeah, man, we get back to the crib. Back at the crib. Let me get myself together. This is somebody gave this cigar to me last night, man. I said Romeo and Julieta. Romeo E. Julieta. All right. So, Christmas was a blast. Christmas was a blast, man. Y'all probably can't see me because it's light in the background. Y'all can't see me too good anyway. Christmas was a blast. My wife enjoyed her gifts. I enjoyed my stuff. Let me show y'all what my dad got me. My mom and dad enjoyed their gifts. The kids enjoyed their gifts most of all. And that was the whole purpose. Like, it wasn't about us. So yeah, man, we blessed, we thankful. Yeah, we just blessed, we thankful, and glad we were able to do these things, man, for the kids, and you know what I'm saying. We're just glad we was able to do this stuff. A lot of people ain't as fortunate. We don't have a lot, but we have. You know what I mean? So, yeah. It feel good, man, to be able to do, you know what I'm saying, things that, you know, otherwise you may not be able to do. So it feel good to be able to do these things. There's a lot of things that I wanted to do. There's a lot of stuff that I'm still gonna do. There's a lot of stuff that I wanted to do, man, that I didn't get to do. And you know what I mean? And I kind of beat myself up about stuff like that sometimes. And I know my wife do. She beat us up about it worse than I do. But you know what I'm saying? We be wanting to do more. You know what I'm saying? And it's like we be beating ourselves up, but when the kids get what they get and all that good stuff, like they be so happy, we just be sitting back like, man, we was really worried about nothing. Like we was really worried over nothing for real. And that's usually how it be. But yeah, man, let me show y'all what my daddy got me, man. This is something I ain't never seen before. And it was kind of crazy when I first seen it, but show y'all. It's called a Vivor, whatever. I'm gonna say Vivor. This man here be doing some shopping. This man got me a jack. It's a jack. Socket set. If you break down on the side of the road, all of this stuff plugs into your cigarette lighter in your car. I don't know where my dad be finding this stuff, man, but that's your 4-way or your impact right there for your lugs. That's your impact. Got a cord. And then this cord right here, this is a jack. It's a jack, man. You know what I'm saying? You put it on the cigarette lighter. You know what I'm saying? They got your attachments like you got a low car. You know what I'm saying? This small attachment for that. You got a bigger, higher type car. You got a jack for that. You got a, you put it in here, screw it in there. You know what I'm saying? You got your, I don't know what this for right there yet. I gotta read the instruction manual, but there's booster cables on there. I don't know what this for, man, but I'm it was crazy because I was like, man, what is this? So, yeah, I'm grateful for this. You know what I'm saying? Real grateful for this right here. So I'm gonna probably just utilize this, just, you know what I'm saying, just to see how it works. Cause I'm curious as to how it works, or how it's gonna work, being that it's, you know what I'm saying, being that it's plugged in the cigarette lighter. Like, how much power can it really put out? You know what I mean? But yeah, man, Pops got me that. So yeah, man, I'm grateful. I'm very grateful. Hold on, I'm behind the scenes trying to get my cigar together, y'all. Whew. Behind the scenes, hold on. There we go. Yeah. Trying to get myself together. Man, this camera, this gimbal, man, it's still taking me a little time to get this gimbal together, but yeah, man, we rode, MayRose. You know what I'm saying? Hey, part 2 is down, man. Got Thanksgiving and Christmas out the way. Now we got New Year's a couple days away. We gonna ride on New Year's. And then, man, y'all know what's up. Everything, we going back to the drawing board. Going back to the drawing board, man. We gotta bring MayRose back on a whole nother level. Yeah. So, you know what I'm saying? We got a lot coming up, man. We got a lot coming up, and like I said, I'm very, very, very appreciative of y'all for being here with me. And I tell y'all this, but I can't tell y'all this enough. I'm very, very appreciative of, you know what I'm saying, y'all being here with me throughout all this. You know what I'm saying? We steady moving forward. We steady making progress. We doing a lot, man. We doing a whole lot that otherwise, you know what I'm saying, we probably wouldn't be doing if y'all weren't here with me. So I'm very, very appreciative of that. I'm eager and I'm ready to get y'all some more type of content, some more a little more content. You know, be more consistent with the content, all that good stuff right there. Okay, don't do that. This here just moving how I want to move. Okay, there we go. Yeah, man, and like I'm just trying to satisfy the people. You know what I'm saying? Trying to satisfy my people, man. Y'all done been down with me for a long time. I ain't seen nobody cut out on me. Y'all ain't, you know what I'm saying, talk bad about me. As far as I know. Y'all still liking, y'all comment, y'all subscribing, man, and that feel good to me. You know what I mean? Yeah. So with that being said, man, I'm finna go ahead and get up out of here. Love y'all, man. Merry Christmas to all y'all. Happy holidays, all that good stuff right there. It's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't a Man himself, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one.